Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm here at All American Recycling, and this is my first time here. So, good morning.
What you got?
I got a bunch of scrap in the back.
Scale in and then go up to the yard. You gotta go in and scale.
Okay, yeah, it's my first time here.
Yeah, just go on the scale.
Yes, sir.
When you get the green,
Yes, sir.
go down to the end. You can go around that truck. It's like a big circle.
Okay.
Just go out to the yard. There'll be a guy out there to tell you where to dump.
Okay.
Just come back around, scale out, then you go inside the building and get paid.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
All right.
So I'm gonna park 6200. It says I could go around this truck over here. There's gonna be a dude over here. Fuck, man. Where's this guy at? Oh, that's probably him. Yeah, that's probably dude right here. Hey, buddy.
All right, what do you got?
I got a bunch of scrap. I got cash. Okay. All right. Time to get busy. This one's gonna be hit. Oh, you know what? Lighten the load. This might come in handy. It's the long. That might come in handy one day. All right, done and done. I don't know about the copper. All right, things just to go around. All right. So brother man told me what I gotta do. So I gotta go back to the scale. $55.80. 55.80. I went to a different scrapyard. I heard these people are way better, pay more. So let's see what's going on. First time here. All right, let's see what they are. All right, so I got my little cash money records, and I'm gonna count this money right now. And she gave me a $50 from 1974. Look at that. Good old Kennedy. Yeah, never do me wrong. Look at that, 1974. So this is the process right here. One way in, one way out. So yeah, it's my second time scrapping, but it's my first time being at this location. So I was 6,200 coming in, and then I think was 5,580 leaving. So look at all that stuff. All right, awesome. I'll park right here. All right. Oh, 89 bucks. 89.50. And the copper was 10 bucks. So $89. Not bad. All right, man. So thanks for watching. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna be late for work. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And if you ever want to make some money, just get yourself a pickup truck. Look at my truck's nice and light, y la chingada. So I tell everybody, I tell my nephews también, if they ever want to make some money, or anybody, if you want to make some money, get yourself a pickup truck. It'll make you money. People always need shit to be moved, y la chingada. So as a matter of fact, this is my first pickup truck. 41. I think I'm 41. I think I'm, no. Yeah, I think I'm 41. I think I'll be 42 and on the 9th, I'll be 42. My birthday's coming up. And first time I ever bought a pickup truck. It's always been little 4-cylinders or minivans and shit. But this is my first time buying a pickup truck at 41 years old. So from here to my last days on this planet, I'll just forever buy pickup trucks, you know. And really quick, I never liked, because I grew up in the city. I grew up in Chicago, so you know we didn't give a fuck about, you know, pickup trucks and shit. But now I'm getting older. I see why. I see why a lot of old timers have pickup trucks. It's a money maker. It really is a money maker. So, you know, get yourself a pickup truck. All right, no more talking. Made 89 bucks, 89.50. So that's fucking awesome. Oops, going the wrong way. All right, thank you. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.